Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today, in our Monsoon special Chai Diaries, I have a very special recipe for you. That is Rusk. Well, in different countries, a rusk is known by different names. In India, for that matter, it's known as toast biscuit. On that note, let's begin. Well, there are various ways in making a rusk. There's a cake style and there's a bread style. Today, the recipe that I'm showing you is a cake style rusk, in which you initially make a cake batter, bake it, and then it's a little bit of a process, but I'll show you as we go. The first thing that goes in the refined flour is baking soda. This is immediately followed by baking powder. To bring out the flavor of all these ingredients, I'm using in salt, and we give this a mix. This is possibly one of the easiest methods that I know, and it's actually very quick, though it may look a little tedious, but that's not in your hands, because what's required next is baking and then rebaking. But where you are involved, it's absolutely zero. The next thing that goes in is cold milk, and this is followed up with condensed milk. Now, this is one of the reasons that this recipe does not have sugar, because the condensed milk has a lot of sugar. Let's give this a mix. This batter needs to be absolutely lump-free. At this stage, you can add in a lot of flavoring. You can add in saffron, you can add in cardamom, you can add in cumin, but I like it nice and plain. Intermittently, ensure that you keep scraping the sides. And let's mix this one last time. Once this is nicely mixed, this now needs to be scraped and transferred in a greased and dusted mold. Let's even this out. This cake batter or rusk batter now goes into bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Our cake for the rusk is baked and ready. The next step is to unmold this. Let's turn this over and wait till this cools down completely, and this may take roughly half an hour. Our cake has cooled down completely. Time to cut this into slices. While you could choose the thickness of toast, what I suggest is roughly 1 centimeter. Let's place this on the baking tray. The next step is to slow bake this at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes till it's nice and crisp. With this, our twice baked rusk or toast biscuit are done and ready. We need to allow these to cool down completely before serving. While I would like to gently remind that this is eaten the world over, but here in Mumbai, we eat this with cutting chai.